We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for you to smash that like button, tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Crxt, and this stock had huge news yesterday, going into today, having momentum, and now pulling back down where it almost started at the beginning of the day. Now, the overall market sat sideways and slightly pulled lower, and it was not the only stock falling. We also had Tesla pulling downwards for most of the day, and our Tesla bot since 9:30 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator literally at the bell, and from that moment forward, put options went up 3 to 10x for the day before having this explosive run, as you see in the aftermarket hours. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And there's many other bots on the way that we're going to release, so that you can receive that edge and clarity over the charts, and you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving that edge and clarity. So here we are with Crxt. We're going to break down the key levels, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, because this chart, you're definitely going to want to stick around and see what 42 vision is showing and the key levels going into tomorrow. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was ALVR. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was sitting sideways, and it was going back into strength towards the bell, got that bull indicator, and took off to a highest point of 30% plus, guys, in a matter of minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Crxt, and it had an explosive run today, pulled back down, and it's retracing to almost where everything started. So it's at a very pivotal point to be aware of these levels going into tomorrow and this week, because if it breaks through the supports and it continues the bearishness, it could go into further weakness. Now, if it actually finds support and bounces off of it, it can possibly form a double bottom or a strong support where it allows it to have a bounce, whether it's a dead cat bounce or actual momentum, but it's gonna be very important. So I'm gonna pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so that you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now obtain this resource as well and join the members using it to receive that clarity and edge over the charts to maximize within the volatility. So Crxt got a bear indicator since $3.03, and it's pulled all the way back down to $2. And today after the bell at around 10 to 11 a.m., it got a bull indicator, and it went all the way up towards $3.95. One of the highest points it's reached in this run. Now, the reason why it started running was because of the news from yesterday, where the company presented new data for one of their innovative medicines at the Androgen Society 4th annual meeting. That's what really drove this and what the news has behind it, because it has a lot to do with a specific niche and focus in medicine. If you do your research and you read over it, pretty interesting stuff, and this is going to be life-changing for those that seek this treatment or what it could do. So that's what makes these biotech companies move so fast, when it has to do with an impactful usefulness in society or anything that has to do with a breakthrough in medicine or a innovation. It has an impact on these stocks. That's why they move so fast, and it's so important to be on top of it. So today the stock had an explosive move. It's under a bear indicator on the 30-minute, but when you pull up the 4-hour, it's been under a bull indicator since 94 cents. It was holding sideways and consolidating until it picked up that momentum, and it announced this information at this annual meeting. Now, the stock is in a downward trend. It shifted from bright green to red, and this is the time to be watching it for a possible another leg up, or if it finds support in the bigger picture, but still under a bull indicator, no bear indicator. And on the 1 day, it's got a bull indicator here at 125, and this is just the first bar so far. So we are still under a bull indicator within the volatility. The next bar next to this will be significant. If it could do this staircase effect and continue upwards and hold this bull indicator true, that's going to be important. But if it pulls back and no bear indicator pops up anywhere along that pullback and not cancel this out, well then this bull indicator is going to be holding true within the volatility, and it's going to be important to watch it. Now on the 4-hour, no bear indicator, still a bull indicator holding true. And in the 30-minute, there has been a lot of volatility, and we just shifted from bull to bear. And if this has strength and it comes back up, it's going to be important for a bull indicator to pop up and negate this bear indicator, as it has every single time within the last several days and week, right? Every single time a bear indicator popped up, it literally lasted for about a day and a half, barely moved the stock, just a few cents down here, just a few cents down here, and it got negated 2 times with bull indicators that took the stock off to newer highs. Now, we're in a lot of volatility here, and I personally believe, this is my honest, humble opinion, not financial advice, this is going on because some profit taking is happening, and it is a penny stock, very high risk, very speculative, no matter how big the news is, and it's probably just getting started from the bigger picture, as you see on the 4-hour and the 1 day. But this is a great time to be seen if there's going to be an actual support, or if this is just going to continue to collapse and have trouble coming back up. So the key levels here that I'll be watching going into tomorrow is the support here of 165. If that gets broken through, the next one would be down here at 138. I would see how the bulls react within that area, if they try to bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast and this bear indicator continues to dominate. Now, to the upside, I want to see this break above 240, create a support, but that does not signify strength just yet if no bull indicator pops up along the way. If not, it needs to get back up here towards $3. 302, 303. I would just round that down to $3. That is going to be a pivotal point. And within that move, if it does start moving upwards, we want to see this bear indicator get canceled out by a bull indicator. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make